Are you thinking about selling your home, but you're just not quite sure where to start and how to get it ready for the market? Look, I get it. I hear about it all the time. And that's why today I'm here to walk you through a super simple 30-day plan to get your home ready to sell. We're going to break it down week by week. And then this way, by the end of the month, you're going to be totally ready to hit the market. Hi, April Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate. So let's go ahead and dive in to week one. All right, now this week we are focusing on decluttering your space and depersonalizing. You're going to want to pack away personal items. You're going to want to pack away photos, trophies, collections, and just a lot of stuff that's just, if there's just too much, to go ahead and start packing it. The reason why we want to create a blank canvas so buyers can imagine their lives in your home. And while you go through it, ask yourself, can this be donated or can it be packed? And while you do that, guess what? Here's a bonus. You're getting a head start on packing for your move. Woohoo! Okay, let's move to week two. Now this week you are rolling up your sleeves. You're going to want to focus on deep cleaning your home. Now I know it's not fun, but go ahead and clean the windows, scrub the baseboards, and don't forget your light fixtures and ceiling fans. And while you're cleaning, go ahead and tackle those small repairs, like fixing leaky faucets or maybe patching holes in the wall, and address any wear and tear that you see. Now these small details might seem minor, but believe it or not, they're going to show the buyers that you care for your home. Okay, halfway done. Let's go ahead and go to week three. This time, it's time to head outside. So this week, we're going to focus on curb appeal. It's huge because it's going to be the first impression that buyers are going to see. You're going to want to mow your lawn, maybe rake the gravel, trim the bushes and trees, and possibly plant fresh flowers or plants. Maybe even do a little refresh on your door and shutters with paint. And you can also add inviting details. You're going to maybe get yourself a new welcome mat if you have that, or outdoor seating, because it's going to create this cozy vibe for buyers. All right, now we're on the last week. You are doing great. Week four, we are focusing where everything is going to start coming together. Now we're going to start with staging your home. Rearrange your furniture to highlight the key features and add neutral decor to brighten up spaces. You're going to want to make sure there's as much space as possible. And then hire an amazing real estate professional like myself who is going to use professional photos and video, because buyers are looking online, and don't you want to highlight what you've done to all of those buyers? Yes. And if you're working with me, I have a huge marketing plan that we can go over, and it just shows how we reach the masses and not just the few, and focus on finding the right buyers. All right, and just like that, 30 days, your home is market ready. Great job, so proud of you. Don't you think breaking it week by week made it manageable? I do. So if you're thinking about selling or have questions, or maybe you just want to brainstorm, I'm definitely here to help. So thanks for watching. Feel free to share this video with somebody who might need it, and I can't wait to hear from you. And as always, my focus is you. Bye.